You are following every rule of your life. You are doing everything what you're supposed to do in your life, but missing something.
Yes.
Who is that? Yeah. Hi. I have been asking this question multiple times in my life, entire life. I am Swadhina Mohanti. I born as a shy and introverted boy in a small village as a farmer's family, because many of you are resonating with me, because when we grow from the farmer's family, we have a lot of struggles. I gone behind the buffaloes when my schoolings were not there. Am I wrong? Super. Thank you so much. So when my family was struggling with the financial hurdles, I had to find a job soon after 10+2. But I dreamt to go in Indian Navy. I failed 4 times in Indian Navy exam because my weak English communication skills. Because we are not born in an English country, right? But on 5th attempt, I got succeeded and I joined Indian Navy. And I served Indian Navy on board ships and submarines for 20 years. I saw many challenges. I witnessed my close colleagues lost their lives. I received many awards. I led huge team. But at last, in 5 years of my service, my health took a toll. I got diagnosed with polycythemia. It is called, if not dealt and managed well, it will lead to a brain cancer. And for that reason, I have visited multiple hospitals to know what is the shit this is. Why this came to me. But doctors declared it is an idiopathic disease. You know, right? What is idiopathic disease?
Yes.
Lifestyle disease. What? I ate many medicines, blood thinners, no use. During those hospital visits, I saw many people are suffering from the lifestyle diseases, undergoing surgeries, eating many medicines, but no use. They are just masking the symptoms. They are not working on the root cause. After my retirement, I thought corporate company will be accepting me very easily, but in my first job, I got underpaid. I got fired in my second job because of startup. Then I picked up myself as a productivity coach with the experience from the Indian Navy. But results were not there as I was expecting. So I felt trapped in professional and personal career. How? At the same time, I have been facing, my family also has been facing series of health crises. How? My son got detected with cataract in both eyes at the age of 8 years. He is here. He got operated. Soon after operation, after 10 days, he got again admitted into ICU because of the side effects of medicine. My daughter suffered from panic attacks with the educational strain. I myself was suffering from my own health issues, battling with all this scenario. My lovely wife undergone the depression. So we were all trapped in a trap of medicines and health issues. But A miracle has happened in this month of March 2024. I will never forget this month. Why? I joined Go Nature Cellular Membership, where I learned many things where we can live without medicines, without supplement, without fake food. That this is really a life-changing moment because all my children, my spouse were with me and they implemented all the things, MRP cutoff, no fake food. From March onwards, we did not visit any medical shop, neither medical shop nor hospitals. That with this result, I upgraded to good. So, because I have my own health problems, then I upgraded to good. Again, I saw miracles over there because I have come up with my own health issues and I have resolved. My gold coaches are here. Kajal ma'am, I think she's here. Okay, and Akshata ma'am. These two were behind me to come out of my problems. And I got the results. And my entire family is watching me that I am getting the results. They are also getting the results. So with these results, again I am ready to Diamond. So where I am here now. So Diamond is like I told you, productivity coach I was working as, but it was not working for me. But soon after Diamond, Vishal is here. Thank you so much, Vishal, because you taught us everything, how patient behaves, what is the psychology of the patient, how we need to deal with them. So, giving the diet is not a big problem. Dealing is the big problem. Thank you so much. I learned from that. So, when I learned all these things like we need to deal patients like puppy, he always does that humor and I really always love that humor. I also try to include them in my situations. Secondly, when I learned all these things, that means the strategy has been told in the Diamond membership. My Diamond coaches, Raksha ma'am. Ma'am, thank you so much. Whenever I call her, ma'am, I want my patients to cure this problem. She knows no problem. Do this, do this, do this. It will be good. Thank you so much. And I really pay gratitude to you, ma'am. Then, with this, in this Diamond membership, I healed 2 patients. I brought 1 patient out of diabetes. I bring one of the patients' weight 10 kgs down in 45 days. Naturally, no medicines, no supplements. This is my victory. And this journey made me and gave birth to my own company, Freedom Health 360 Degrees. I am the founder. So here I found a reverse aging protocol with the natural healing, fitness, organ cleansing and nutrition. The triangle I made and I am seeing a massive results to the patients. So looking back, I see how every struggle, every small problem, every victory led me to this point. I used to depend on medicines, doctors, hospitals for every health issue. Today, my body has an ability to heal itself. And many people are suffering from these lifestyle diseases. And many people are looking for you people, how you can bring them out. And I am one of them. From a shy and introverted boy from a struggling family, standing in front of you as a nutritionist and health coach, it's been a journey. From the hurdle, pain, and resilience. Every stage of my life presented challenges in front of me. But I overcome these obstacles and I am trying to help the people to overcome their lifestyle diseases. So, ladies and gentlemen, the message I would like to give you is transformation never happens overnight. It requires persistence, belief, and action. So, if I can come out of this problem, I can heal the struggling boy. Because I was struggling from the childhood, failed multiple times to getting into the Indian Navy, battling my whole both health issues, my family issues. Now I became health coach. So can you. Everyone can do this. And I don't know how Vishal has come in front of me. You are the God. Because productivity coach was not working for me. Everything, when I was attempting everything, it was failing. It means God is trying to give something to me that I was not accepting. Now I thought, I promised myself that I will be in this way because I am getting the massive results, money, the blessings I am getting from the patients, these are all ample for my life. Those can heal my entire family. So, thank you Vishal for creating such a program. I really pay gratitude to you. And thank you so much for my gold member coaches, Kajal and Akshara. And they guided me at every stage of my life in my entire gold program. And when I shifted and upgraded to diamond, again Laksha ma'am, thank you so much ma'am. And thank you so much Jaina ma'am for bringing me on this stage. Thank you so much. Thank you entire Orchha team for making me successful and bringing me on this stage. Thanks a lot. And I pay myself gratitude because I am in this journey. I pay my gratitude to my family because without them I cannot be successful, because even though my wife's health is not good, she made every diet every day for me, because of which I was successful. Because my son and daughter implemented whatever I told, I have been not visiting to the hospitals and medical shops nowadays. Thank you so much, my dear family members. So, let's strive for a life of health, energy, and a purpose, because we deserve nothing less. And together, let's create a future where the future is not only healing with natural ability, it is the way of living, the natural way of living, and we are all deserving for this. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity. Jai Hind.
Come to the center of the arms. Everybody.